Welcome to Barry Electronics. In today's video, I'm going to be telling about this shoe dryer. And as you can see, this is a portable shoe dryer that don't take too much space in your room. It is foldable and have a UV sterilization, and also add salt in a sterilization to make your slinger smell cool, fresh, and clean. And also have universal heating system, meaning the heat is shared all around, and it heating system is about 48 degrees Celsius, so don't worry, it won't destroy your slingers. So yes, this is how the box looks, and this is the pack information right here. As you can see, the salt box is at the top and have a air outlet. The hot air will come out from the side, and also the expansion bracket here, you can expand it and put it back together just like this. Okay, and then you have your display right here, your air indoor and your host, everything that you need to know right here. Okay, so this is how it looks. So I'm going to go ahead and remove it from the box so you can see what we're talking about. So after removing it from the box, here is the margin. Here is 8 plug to our extension cord. So right here you have your on and off button, and you have your timer here for 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, 48 degrees Celsius. And right here is your heating outlet. Right here, as you can see, here is a salt box, and here is where your hot air will come on from. You can expand this and or bring it back together, but I'm going to go ahead and expand it. So here we hitch into place, and do this for here also. And we hitch in place as soon as it is like this. All right, so this is how you use it. Right, plug this into your power outlet first, and go ahead and put this on for either 1 hour, as you can see, 2 hour, 4 hour. When it is on, you see the blue light for sterilization on in it, and it is already on here for both sides. So all you need to do is take your wet slingers, as you can see how wet this is. You see the water. Okay, and you should do this like this, place it like this. But since okay, I'm coming, I'm gonna do this sideways so that I can get better result. I'm gonna do this sideways like this. All right, so yes, put the first slingers and then use it like this. All right, so this is how you use your shoe dryer, portable shoe dryer. Don't worry, this is not going to burn the slingers or destroy it, because you can keep your eye on it, or if not, it will only make it hot, because the temperature is not to burn, it's just to dry. It is not really that hot, it is just 48 degrees Celsius, and it is portable, easy to store, and you don't have to worry about it running up your electricity bill, because it is very, very easy to understand, use, and work with. So yes, that is all you need to know. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel Barry Electronics for more product related video like this. So yes, this is the RAF brand right here, RAF brand. Okay, so yes, this is how you use the shoe dryer. You can remember when we started how wet the slinger was. Now look how dry it made the slinger in less than 2 hours. While when all the zincs here, the slinger have to be there the whole day for it to get dry like this. So yeah, can't get your shoe dry where it run out, because you already see how it works. So yeah.